Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Travel Luxury with Ruchika. I 100% believe that you are enjoying traveling with me because I can see you all are liking my videos, you all are loving it, you all are viewing it more and more times, you are sharing it with your friends. So everything I am able to see. Thank you so much for that. And I just want to tell you that I have come this time to a dreamland. And what is the name of that dreamland? You already know, some of you already know that the name of the dreamland is Maldives. Yes, Maldives is the dream of many, many, many. Why? You see from your own eyes. Isn't it like a dream world? Yes, at least it is the dream world for me. So this is the pool. This is the private pool, which is in a circular shape. So very well you can see. And this is the O Bar, which is in the Hotel Ritz-Carlton in Maldives, Fari Island, which is unbelievable for me. Since last so many years, I had been thinking about reaching this place, but reaching here is not easy. Yes, you must have also thought, but yes, you will come and stay in some other places, but reaching Fari Island and Ritz-Carlton is really tough. So I'll just show you something else also. Look at this beautiful view. The different shades of the sea. The turquoise water, the blue shade, the variety of blues. Just stepping few steps down will give you more happiness because you are coming closer and closer to the sea. And the waves will make you really happy. So this is the reason I have come to Ritz-Carlton, and reaching Maldives is not easy because it is one of the most expensive islands, and for reaching here you have to really pay a heavy amount because the transfer from the airport to the hotels is really, the charges are really high. And to reach Ritz-Carlton, if you ask me, there are three ways. One is the shared boat, the other one is yacht, and the third one is seaplane. So the lowest category is the shared boat. For that you have to pay around 1100 US dollars. For seaplane around 6,000 US dollars, 6 to 7,000. And for the yacht, which is the most expensive one, is around 12,000 US dollars. So which one would you like to choose? Write in the comment and tell me, which one would you choose? So here we have some sitting arrangement as well on the back side. And here also, this side also, we have the liquors of the preference of the people. The place is so beautiful and amazing that people love to come here and spend some nights. So after you have taken the transportation, you have reached the island, you have to see that how are the charges, how much are the charges of the rooms available here. So if I tell you about the base category, the charges of the base category room here is around 4 to 5 lakh Indian rupees, around 5,000 US dollars. So this is really expensive, but paying this much is not the capacity of everyone. That is the reason most of the Indians, they travel to Maldives and stay in other islands, stay at other islands and enjoy the other places. But reaching at Ritz-Carlton is really tough for everybody. But how would I make it? This is a secret. I will definitely tell you, but before that I'll show you something else also. So the sunbeds are here. We can comfortably lie down, we can read the books of our choice, enjoy watching our mobile phones. And as I told you that I am at O Bar, so you can have the view of the bar here. People are just relaxing, chilling with their loved ones. Ritz-Carlton, there are many overwater villas as well, which are just mesmerizing. Water, water everywhere. Yes. So this really comes true if we stay in the on the overwater villas. So from here also you can have, the view is so mesmerizing. It is really difficult to take your eyes off one direction and take it to the other one. So now the secret is that how did I reach? I'm not going to actually pay by money. I'm going to actually pay by the points. And which points I'm talking about? I'm talking about Marriott Bonvoy points, which I can easily transfer into this hotel, Marriott points, and then I can enjoy my free stays. So I have also paid in points only, and this is the facility I have got. So as I told you that this is O Bar, so you can see that there are all the premium liquors available for the guest to enjoy, and this is a very cool and comfortable place where people love to come and sit for few hours, not for the drinks or for the lunch. They love to sit here. Like this area is almost all the time busy, whether it is morning time. Just enjoy the view. Isn't it heavenly? Yes, it is. That is the attraction. People don't want to go from there. They just want to come and don't want to go back. They want to make this island their home. So, the sofas are there, the table and chairs are there. You can have the drinks of your choice. You can have the food of your choice. You can even have the lunch or breakfast, whatever you want to. So coming to this place is really enjoyable, and this is a trolley which really reaches you if you order some drink. Not one, but the variety will reach you. Again, you have the choice to pick up the one of your choice. So just reaching here is not easy. Staying here is not easy, but how to make it easy, for that only I am here, and I will help you how to make it easy. So for that you have to start using the credit card. Using the credit card you will be able to earn lakhs and lakhs of points. And how much I have paid here? I am going to pay 4 to 5 lakh points per night. Definitely you have heard it very right. 4 to 5 lakh points per night. For that you have to accumulate a lot. And I will be definitely sharing with you what are the ways to earn the points and how to spend. Don't spend them unless you watch my video, because I will give you the best way where to spend. Earning is not only important, spending, selecting where to spend is more important. Then only you will become wise like me. So I am inviting you. This place is wonderful. Do come here, enjoy, spend some quality time with your family, with your friends, with your kids, and create the memories for the life. So this is Maldives, and this drink is for Maldives. Thank you so much. Bye bye.